So hello. Well, it's Chaos here. Today I'm gonna show only how I made this banner for someone. Um, person name is Flickz. Just do that. Resize it a lot. Font. I'll leave the font and the apps, everything I use in the description. Make 3D. So put this at 10. In fact, actually not. No. I just overdoing it. And this at print the depth at 5. We need to darken it. Perfect, nice. Then we make a copy of this. Try to get it the exact same space. Position, put that down to 1 pixel. Nice. So color, changing this thing. Yeah, let's leave it right there. Save that as a PNG. Then we go into Photoshop Touch. So I'll say there. So I'm back in Photoshop Touch. So the size for our banner is, well, the stuff that you will see is 2560 by 435. Click plus photo layer. I forgot to show like when I download the pictures, but yeah. I use this from the rocket event. Put it here. Resize it a lot. That quality is beautiful. Then we import the photo layer. Pixel lab. Thinking that is centered by just gonna leave it like that. So you want Instagram. I'm gonna pause the recording. So I'm officially back. I just ended the recording by mistake, but no worries. I'll put it on this side here. So this could take a while because our page is so small that I can't even in front. Right. Place the text now. In fact, I can put the PS logo. Right, nice. Now I can put the the text. Flickz. Alright, nice. Merge all of this down. Select pixels. Fill and stroke. Fill color red to go with the theme. And the final thing that we need to do is this. Right, nice. Now that is the banner done. I think that looks good. Put this white photo layer. Save by the time. What am I doing? Right. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully all you enjoy it. Might upload one today's Tuesday, might upload one Friday or Saturday or so. Yeah, for most likely Friday or Tuesday. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.